Hello and welcome back to my channel, where today we're diving into the forefront of Ethereum's evolving ecosystem with EigenLayer. This platform is not just a breakthrough, it's a revolution in how we approach blockchain security and staking. So grab your digital gear because we're about to embark on a journey to becoming an EigenLayer operator and validator. What is the EigenLayer project? EigenLayer is reshaping the landscape of Ethereum by introducing a concept called restaking. It's not just a step forward in blockchain technology, it's a giant leap for Ethereum's security and versatility. And the best part, EigenLayer has garnered support from heavy hitters in the industry, raising a whopping 64.5 million. Imagine being able to use your ETH over and over again within the consensus layer, securing multiple services while raking in additional rewards. That's the promise of EigenLayer. It's about amplifying the power of staking, making Ethereum more robust, and opening up a world where shared security and innovation know no bounds. Before we dive into the technical setup, let's talk about what you need to get started. Depending on your role in the EigenLayer ecosystem, the requirements can vary based on the total quorum stake, but for launching an operator node on the whole sky testnet, I recommend opting for a VPS2 server Contabo for its reliability and performance. To get started with Contabo, feel free to use my referral link. Now, let's get down to business. The first step is securing some whole sky ETH for your MetaMask wallet. Here's how it's done. Add the Ethereum whole sky testnet to your wallet, visit the whole sky faucet, and start mining until you hit the max reward. It's a process, but those SHIT tokens are your ticket to the next phase. For my part, I already have tokens, so I'm going to stop there. With your HETH in hand, it's time to visit the Anchor testnet. Here, you'll stake your tokens and, in exchange, receive Ankhreth, the liquid gold of staking. Once you've got your Ankhreth, adding it to your wallet in a few clicks. The next leap is restaking your Ankhreth on EigenLayer. This is where your journey as an operator begins, laying down the foundation for extended security across the Ethereum network. Before installing the EigenLayer program, let's prep our system. We'll update our packages, install Git and Ansible, ensuring our foundation is solid for the EigenLayer setup. Next, we clone the project repository. Then we install the EigenLayer program with an Ansible script. After installation, a quick check with EigenLayer version confirms we're set. We need to generate ECDSA and BLS private keys for operator registration. We'll secure these keys with a password saved locally and displayed for a single view. To register as an operator, we create and configure our operator file. Including a metadata URL in the operator.yml file is a crucial step. After executing the command, you'll be prompted to create a configuration file. Press Y to proceed. Now you're faced with filling out some essential details. Let's break these down. Operator address. Here, input the Ethereum ECDSA address you've generated earlier. This address is your operator's unique identifier on the blockchain. Earnings receiver address. Typically, this will be the same as your operator address, directing where your rewards will be sent. ETH-RPC URL, enter. This is your gateway to interact with the Ethereum blockchain within the whole Sky network. ECDSA key path. Provide the path to your previously generated ECDSA key. This path links your operator configuration to your digital signature. Network. Simply type whole Sky to specify the test network you are operating on. Next, let's make your operator publicly recognizable. Log into GitHub and create a new repository. Here you'll host a metadata JSON file, which acts as your operator's public profile. Within this new repository, create your metadata.json file. Fill it with details like your operator name, website, description, and links to your logo and Twitter. This metadata enhances your visibility and credibility within the EigenLayer ecosystem. After committing your changes, access the raw version of your metadata.json. This URL links your operator file to its public metadata, closing the loop on your operator's digital identity. Finalize by embedding this raw URL into your operator.yaml file. Then registering your carrier is simple. Make sure your wallet has at least 1 ETH for gas fees. To do this, enter the address of your operator in the whole sky faucet. Once complete, register using the operator.yaml file. You can also see your operator on the EigenLayer site. Congratulations, you are an EigenLayer operator. Now that you're officially an operator, the next step is to amplify your stake by delegating anchored tokens from your wallet. To become a validator on EigenLayer, you must rank among the top 200 operators. At the time of the video, you have at least 570 ETH staked. In addition to this, you will have to respect these prerequisites. Possess 32 ETH. Think of it as the minimum gear required. outmatching the least endowed operator. You must surpass the stake of the lowest ranked operator in the active group by at least 1.1 times. It's a competitive edge that ensures only the most committed operators ascend to validator status. Steering clear of the 10.01% rule, ensure the operator you aim to replace doesn't hold more than 10.01% of the total stakes. It's about maintaining a balance of power within the network. For this tutorial, I do not meet the conditions. However, if you meet the conditions, here is what you need to do to become a validator. Download the EigenDI repository. Next, in the Eigenda operator setup directory, copy the example file into a new .env file. Modify the fields marked with todo with your specific information. Be sure to put the IP of your VPAs and the password of your keys here. Save the file and create the following directories. Then, with these commands, you can start the registration process and bring your node to life. Once your validator node is launched, you will appear on the list of AVS operators on the EigenLayer platform. Keeping your node up to date is crucial. Get the latest versions from GitHub, restart your nodes with Docker Compose to keep your node competitive. And that's a wrap on becoming an EigenLayer operator and validator. Join the EigenLayer community on Discord and Twitter to stay informed about the project. Thank you for following me. Support my channel by subscribing and leaving a thumbs up. Stay connected and informed with our latest updates on social media. See you in the next video.